of a white Christmas. Guys, look at that. Isn't that cool? Currently in Glenwood Springs. I'll give you guys an update later. Bye.
Okay.
Good morning, friends. I am in Aspen.
Marshall?
And we're currently on our way to the ticket booth to figure out if I need a ticket to get this gondola. If I do, friends, yes, I get a ticket. Not good to go.
We just want the vibe. I'll be up there.
This is cool. We are currently at Snowman's Village. And everyone's supposed to be skiing today, or snow tubing, or something like that, and going on an alpine coaster. Not me. It's on me.
I don't want the ride to be recorded.
That's why the camera is on me, sir.
Did they go inside the store?
That is a good question. Oh, they're in here?
They're in here.
Let's see what's in Four Mountain Sports. So back in college, my friends took a ski trip, and I think they came to Aspen, and I didn't come. But this is basically what the store looks like. If you guys are ever interested in going skiing, snowboarding, they have all your needs.
Awesome. Let us know if you want fitting room. If you need any help, please let us know.
That's cool. Snowman's coming. See, I love glasses, so these goggles will be right up my alley. Toast. Toast, my favorite type of thing. We're going to the top of the mountain to save our marriage. I gotta climb this mountain to save my marriage. Alright, we're about to get on a gondola. As you can see, it's snowing. Which is a good thing, I guess.
Hey, wait. That one. Oh, that's what I said. Thank you so much.
You're good. Have fun up there.
That's why I said that. That's why I said that.
We're on. I think probably to get back down, but that's it. I'm so ready to get on the gondola. It's gonna be fun. It's kind of like when we went to St. Thomas and we had to ride the little gondola there, so probably gonna be reminiscent of that. Here we go. Thank you.
Get out!
You ain't waiting.
Bye.
At the top of El Camp Gondola. Now, there is an El Camp restaurant. This is probably where I'm gonna be when I finish vlogging. have the Breathtaker, which is an alpine coaster. We have tubing, ski lifts, and a nice mountain view. Let's go see what the restaurant has to say. Whoa, little bar. Get a little something to drink. I just might stay here. Seems like a cool spot. I'm gonna try to get something to eat as well. And we'll check back in with guys in the bye-bye. See how the rest of the day is on. I don't know. There's something to drive for me, right?
Oh, if you look all of this, that makes it almost straight. Yeah.
So look at that food, buddy. How does she go?
Yeah, it's for you too.
It is.
He's going to make a trick for you.
He's gonna spin the dough.
Oh my god.
See, there's perks to vlogging.
Okay.
That's so cool. Thank you. Have a good day. Oh, they have red pepper flakes. I love red pepper flakes. Pizza. And of course, you had to get the shrimp on you. But if you're coming to Aspen, just know everything is expensive, so be prepared for prices. That's it. Cool. I love that they have windows because I can see a lot of like the skiing and stuff. So cool. Like little couches down here. Seems like fun. So this is the children's. Cool. Well, one thing I can say is there's no need for sunglasses out here because there's no sun. It's just cloudy. So, if you're ever in Aspen around the wintertime skiing season, no need for sunglasses. So yeah, it really is just us. Like, if you guys haven't been up here, please visit Aspen. If you can't afford it, there's other mountains you can always go to. But please, if you can, visit Colorado at least once in your life, especially during this time of year when it's snowing and there's skiing and snowboarding. It's just so beautiful. It's so peaceful. Going into it, I didn't know what to expect, but now that I'm here, I definitely see what I will definitely be back in the future. For sure. Number 2, gotta get something hot. Be fitting a drink. That's right. Peanut butter whiskey. Peanut butter. Anything peanut butter. Just like that, we are back down in the village. As you guys know, I didn't go tubing, or I didn't do the coaster. I stayed in the restaurant, had 2 drinks, and I didn't get drunk. Just holding the bar down. But we're still here, so we're probably going to explore a little bit more. And I guess I will show you guys around. Oh, fun fact. Snowmass doesn't stay open very long. It stays open a couple months out of the year because around February or March they have the elk migration. So they close down right before the elk migrate. So if you didn't know that, now you know. But this is a cute little village. They have restaurants and stuff. The Arum. Everyone's skiing, of course. They have the ski lift. Some like lodging apartments and like housing and stuff. It's really cool. I could definitely see myself coming back here at some point.
Yeah.
A good first day. Now I need a shower. A hot shower. So we're headed back to the Airbnb, get changed, maybe relax a little bit, and head out to dinner. I found the heat. It was amazing. I feel like I'm defrosting already. Heaven. Good morning, friends. Hope you guys are having a great day. Because we're still in Aspen. We're about to be off to new adventures. We're making our way slowly back to Denver. And we're going to stop and see some ice castles. And then we're going to have a lot of festivities in Denver. Currently getting ready, packing our stuff, and waiting on the van to pick us up so we can be on our way. But when we are, I will update you guys. So until then, peace.
One, two, three. Yeah. Woo!
This has been keeping me warm. We love warmth, especially when it's in the teens out here. Ice Castle is definitely worth it, but it's cold. My feet are frozen, but my hands are warm. And I have a hot chocolate.
Hey, 30.
You 30, baby.
30, baby.
Oh my God!
Wait a minute.
Now wait a minute. Now wait a minute. Now wait a minute. Wait a damn minute.
Not too much of that, child. It's only been a few months.
Wait, everybody 30? Oh, yes, everybody 30. I'm the youngest one. All y'all old.
We all turned in the last year. Well, except for the...
Yeah, dang. Oh, don't be doing this like that. Okay, you waiting on me? Okay.
I said we all turned in the last... Wait,
Cheers. Cheers. Put your glass in there.
Salud.
Salud. For the
Salud. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
My brother is here.
Hey friends, if you're watching this, you probably got through the rest of the vlog. I'm hoping you did, right? Right. So anyways, I just wanted to come on here and thank you guys for watching my vlog and supporting my content over the past year. I have a lot more coming this year. I'm trying to be more consistent. I'm setting an intention this year to be as consistent as possible. So I'm going to get some new vlogs out within the next couple of weeks or so, and yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys a little more of Atlanta because that's where I reside. Maybe some more travel vlogs throughout the year. Maybe some restaurant vlogs here and there, you know. Whatever I can do to, you know, get out of the house and experience with you guys just as much as you guys experience with me. And I thank you guys, and I'm so grateful that you guys support me. But yeah, my whole experience with Colorado, Glenwood Springs, Aspen, Denver, it was a great experience overall. I was tired by the end of it, and would I go back? I definitely would, but I probably try to plan it a little differently this next time around because that was a little tiresome. But I did have a good time overall, and it was great to experience that with friends and family and stuff, and here's to new adventures. As always, please continue to like, subscribe, and comment. And until the next time, this is me signing off, and I'll see you guys later.